My name is Sahil, and in this video, I will be sharing my analysis on Rallies India. So, this analysis will be for swing trade, and if this analysis work, you might get good returns. One disclaimer: please don't just take trade on my analysis. Do your own analysis, and if you feel it is according to your setup, then only take trade. So, let's start with our analysis. So, the price action in Rallies India is pretty clear. It is kind of forming a symmetrical triangular pattern in daily time frame. So if anyone don't know how to how the triangle pattern works, so basically it takes support at this below trend line and takes resistance at this upper trend line, and then it moves in this pattern. And whenever it gives breakout in either side, we expect it to give move in that direction. So now you can clearly see it has given breakout in this upper trend line. So if we even move to lower time frame, one thing I want to explain. So you can clearly see it was a good resistance area. Uh, the trend line is definitely a resistance area. It came first time. It took resistance here. It fell down. Again, it tried, and it tried for about three times. It could not break. Now, if it the sellers were now if the sellers were dominant at this particular area, then the price should have definitely followed till here. But you can clearly see what happened today. The buyers were more powerful than the sellers, due to which it gave a breakout. So that one thing is really that one thing tells us that buyers are really interested in this uh, at this price. And again, second thing is, let me just remove this. And second thing is, you can clearly see in daily time frame, the candle, the body it has formed today, it has all basically it had engulfed these four candles. So you can definitely say the buyers are really really strong and sellers are week. So yes, that is second thing. And if we want even more confirmation, then the third thing is, if we look at these volumes. So this is, if you don't know, this is 20 moving average, and it is like whenever the volumes gives breakout about this 20 moving average, we can say that the volumes are good. And right now it has given breakout with good volumes. So yes, this is a really really good breakout at daily time frame. And being a daily time breakout at daily time frame, we can expect a good returns. So talking about the returns, the target for typically for a triangular breakout, the target is calculated somewhat like this. From its from here to here, the target is about 60%. But for me, I will be exiting about, I have already entered in this position, so I will be exiting about this about 20% gain. It might take some time, but please, if you take trade, please do hold this trade. It can give good returns. And talking about the stop loss thing, the stop loss for me is below this thing. If the price come below this thing, we can definitely say our plan has failed. We were incorrect, and we should respect this stop loss, because also this is a previous swing. So this is a logical stop loss. And so this is a really good risk to reward setup also. So yes, that's it for this video. So do let me know if you take trade in this chart, and do follow me if you like my analysis. Yes, thank you.